Welcome to Coda Essentials. My name's Maria Marquis, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the tool that's going to be your go-to once you start to get really comfortable with Coda. It's going to save you time and help you keep that flow when you're in the midst of making. When you first get started with Coda, using the Explore panel is a great place to go because it allows you to kind of see, does Coda do that thing that I was looking for? And you're kind of in that, hence the name, exploratory phase. But once you start to know what you want, we want to save you that having to click back over there and then come back. That's why the slash command exists. You just type slash and then you can say whatever you want. Maybe you want to make a card view of a table. There you go. Maybe you want to have one of those templates that you really like the sentiment tracker. Yeah, and you just pull it right up. Or maybe you want to add a control. Then you type a control and then see everything there. Or maybe you know that you want a checkbox or a checklist. You've got it. So it allows you to move much more quickly and kind of keep that flow without getting interrupted. So remember, when you're in this slash command area, we've got some suggestions we'll provide, we've got templates, we've got all of the text options here, we've got all of the different column file formats, all of your packs, all of the core building blocks and display choices, every pack that's available, as well as the ability to import from other locations, all of the different button types, controls. Everything that Coda has to offer is available right here under the slash. So just type slash and you'll be able to get to exactly what you want. With that, start slashing, start exploring, and I'll see you next time.